If you're a Muslim who wants to invest, then this one's for you. What if I told you you could invest in hundreds of halal companies at once? It's called ETF, Exchange Traded Fund. Forget the name, here's exactly what it means. Imagine you want to invest, but you don't want to put all your money in one company. What if instead your money was spread across 50, 100, 500 companies at once? This is what an ETF does. It bundles up many companies into one fund, and you buy into that entire fund in one transaction. One buy, hundreds of companies instantly. Now, stocks are great, but they require you to research on the companies individually. Screen it, monitor it, and stay updated. On the other hand, an ETF is for someone who wants to invest but does not want to spend hours reading business reports and financial data. So an ETF gives you same halal outcome, less time, less effort. A halal ETF has already done all of that. Every company inside that ETF has been Sharia screened. You're not buying one halal company, you're buying a whole basket of halal companies in that fund, already checked and diversified in one decision. In India, there is currently only one Sharia compliant ETF, which is why exactly understanding global market matters to us. The US market and globally, there are many Sharia compliant ETFs out there, which are already screened for us, accessible for global investors, including Indian investors. Platforms like IND Money, Grow give you direct access to the US market and to these ETFs. So you need to be happy now. Opportunities exist. Most Muslims just do not know about it yet. In my next episode, we'll cover halal mutual funds and whether they are actually worth it for Muslim investors in India right now. And don't forget to comment checklist and I will send you a free halal ETF guide, what to look for and how to get started with them. And if this helped you, follow for more money education and share this with a Muslim friend who needs to hear this, and your support keeps me going.